Hi everyone, this is Xuan Wang from University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign. Today I'm going to introduce our demo system called Evidence Miner, Automatic Textual Evidence Mining in COVID-19 Literature. Evidence Miner includes three major functions. First is query search. Basically, it lets users query a natural language statement, and it will automatically retrieve textual evidence from background corpus of COVID-19 literature. The second function is annotation result visualization. Evidence Miner is supported by some pre-discovered named entities and relational meta patterns in the backend, and this function shows the visualization of those entities and patterns in the full text documents. The third function is called analytic functions. Basically, it shows some summarization of the most frequent entities and relation pairs discovered in Evidence Miner. Here we give some answers to some frequently asked questions. First, what is the source of the backend corpus? Currently, Evidence Miner takes this COVID-19 open research dataset as the backend literature corpus. Since this dataset is constantly growing, our system is also constantly updating to keep up with the most up-to-date research. Second question, how are the fine-grained entity types annotated? Evidence Miner uses the 75 fine-grained entity types automatically annotated by this CORD-NER system. CORD-NER can annotate many new types specifically related to the COVID-19 studies, such as the coronaviruses and viral proteins. More details of this CORD-NER system can be found in this paper. Last question, how is the evidence score calculated? The evidence score in this system is a weighted combination of three scores. First is the query keyword scores matched in each sentence. Second is the entity scores matched in each sentence. And last is the relational meta-pattern score matched on each sentence in the corpus. Also, more details of this score calculation can be found in this paper. Here is our team who are involved in this system development. You are very welcome to contact us if you have any related questions for this system. Now let's see some examples. First is the keyword queries. For example, if people are interested to see like how this UV of ultraviolet can kill SARS-CoV-2, they can query it in this way, and in the top results, they will see some results such as we found that ultraviolet was most strongly associated with lower COVID-19 growth rate, and many others. This is the first kind of keyword queries. Moreover, Evidence Miner can allow some more flexible queries. Say if people want to see all the evidence related to the relational patterns, such as coronavirus cause some disease syndrome, but they are not sure which concrete entity to search. They can search in the pattern format, and in the top results, we can see many related evidence, such as coronavirus cause respiratory infections in humans. On the right-hand side of this search interface, we also show some summaries of the discovered entities on this result page. So first you can see some coarse-grained entity types like phenomena or process. And if you click on the coarse-grained ones, you will see more fine-grained types such as disease or syndrome. And if you click the fine-grained type, you will see the concrete entities such as fever, cough, and death, which are most related to this query. That's for the first function of query search. Now let's look at the second function of annotation visualization. If you click on one of those evidence retrieval results, we will go into this annotation interface where we show the fully annotated article with the CORD-NER system for each document. Like for each document, we will show the all the metadata such as the author list, the journal, and the date published, and also the ID in the PubMed database. And then Basically, we will show all the sections of this document as the full text, and in this whole document, we will show all the fine-grained entities automatically annotated. On the right-hand side, similarly, we will show a summary of all the entities annotated in this corpus, and moreover, we show this meta-pattern extraction results, which are all the relational meta-patterns extracted from this document based on those fine-grained entities automatically discovered above. And you can see there are a lot of relational meta-patterns in this document, and if you click on one of those, the sentence where this pattern is extracted will be highlighted. So that's for the second function of annotation visualization. Last, we show our analytic interface, where you can see some summary statistics. For example, if you search this same pattern, coronavirus-caused disease syndrome, we will show the top frequent entity pairs extracted by this pattern, such as coronavirus and infection. And this is the count based on document, this is based on sentence, and this is the overlap of the entities that show in the top results of both counts. If you click on one of the results, you will see the detailed statistics, and moreover, if you click on one of the entities, it will show a filtered result, say what are the diseases that can caused by coronaviruses most frequently. Similar to the meta-pattern search, we can also search entities. For example, if we search the entity type coronavirus, and here we can see those top frequent entities belonging to this type, such coronavirus, SARS, and MERS-CoV. And similarly, if you click on one of those entities, you will see the detailed summary statistics. Moreover, we support a combined filtering. Say, if you search a pattern chemical cause, coronavirus cause disease syndrome, and you have a virus in mind such as SARS, you can search it in this way, and here we will see the summary of the most frequent diseases that has the relation coronavirus caused disease syndrome with the entity SARS. So that's the basic function of the analytics interface. Thank you very much for your attention, and we'll be happy to answer any questions.